There's people watching me film this, but I wanted to start this vlog. I'm in Los Angeles, which is so exciting. I'm here for 4 days, going to vlog my trip for you guys. I know this is an awful angle, but there's people watching me and I'm just like, so yeah, I want to start this vlog and I'm gonna make this intro short because I know I talk a lot in my vlogs and I want to start not making as many like talking clips like this, you know what I mean? So I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, so it is 12:04 p.m. and we landed. This girl's watching me talk to myself. We landed like 3 hours ago and we just went to Earth Cafe like you saw. Okay, let me fix this lighting maybe. Like you saw in the last clip, but now we have like an hour and a half to kill because we're going to tour UCLA. So I think we're gonna walk over. We're on, I don't know what this road's called, but we're on some cute little place. We're gonna walk over to Rodeo Drive for a bit, then go to tour UCLA. Wait, why isn't this stopping? Okay, so we're on our way to UCLA. Wait, what time is it? 1:07. It's 1:07, and I got this smoothie from
Turn right onto Gregory Way.
I got this smoothie from Creation, and it's called Bariatric. I feel like that's the name of it.
That's fitting because you love old people and the study of old people is called geriatrics.
Really? Mm-hmm. Oh my god, I want to be a geriatric doctor.
Turn right onto South Bedford Drive.
I've told this camera or else it'll fall. Okay, it has coconut H2O, that's water, raspberry, strawberry, almond butter, chia seeds, banana, honey, and berry wellness, and it's recommended for promoting kidney health and anti-aging. I'm a very picky eater. I don't know if I'll like it, but I think I will.
I have faith in you, Emma.
Okay, it's not even opening, so that's the first issue.
Shake it up really good.
Okay,
turn right onto South Bedford Drive.
This is really expensive. I hope I like it.
Yes.
It smells like bananas. What?
It smells like your Nana.
Bananas! Oh, it does have banana. Okay.
Wait, where's my phone? I guess I put it... I thought I put it here. Did it fall down?
Probably. I don't see it. You're ruining my video.
I'm sorry. I was gonna take a picture of these cool trees. I can... But... I'm sorry.
Now we're pulling over, so I'll just try my smoothie another time.
No, wait 1 second.
No, I know. I'm just looking for your phone. Oh, it's right here. Okay, moving on. Oh, these are the trees she's talking about. Very cool.
Hello?
Sorry, it's your brother.
Hi, how was school? Are you walking home?
Yeah, but I don't know is anyone picking me up?
Anna said,
not that I know.
I feel a little better.
Okay, then let's walk home. I don't care. I was just wondering.
How was your day? Hey, were you supposed to have something in period 4 today? Were you supposed to bring something?
But I didn't go to period 4 today.
Oh, maybe it's reminding you for tomorrow. Combustible to class today. No, consumable, not combustible.
Oh, okay.
Consumable.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, I guess, oh, that's a cute shirt. Look at her shirt.
That is cute, but she's walking really slow.
Approximately 10 hours later.
All right, love you, buddy. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, sorry about that.
Okay, moving back on to tasting my smoothie. This is Creation Organic Bariatric, not geriatric. It's good, but it has a bad aftertaste.
What is the aftertaste?
It's not like bad, it's just like weird. We're now on Wilshire Boulevard and Rodeo Drive. Is this Rodeo Drive? Maybe not.
In 1.5 miles, turn right onto Holmby Avenue.
Okay. And we're behind a Porsche. Hit the Porsche.
No! Urban Fresh, have you heard of that?
No. Alright, this is good, everybody. 12 out of 10. Maybe an 11 out of 10.
Really? Are you gonna drink the whole thing?
Mm-mm.
Emma, you have to drink the whole thing. Let me smell it.
It smells like bananas.
Oh wow, it's in a glass container.
Yeah.
Can I taste it?
Yeah. I mean, I might be
Return
sick.
bottle for $1.
Yeah, You like it? It's good.
Drink the whole thing, sister.
It's not going on. Okay. That's all for today. What'd you get, Mom?
Tamales. In a last minute decision.
I got grilled cheese with bananas and strawberries and a frozen lemonade, and we are at Earth Cafe.
It might be annoying, but it's...
Hello. We are currently walking on a hiking trail to the beach. We're in Santa Barbara. It's so pretty. Where are you waving to?
No.
Come here.
Now the reason why they don't have an actual chime is because if there was a real chime, the power.
Hey, Delaney, look at the doggy. Look up there. Look. You pet the doggy?
Pet. No more petting? No more petting? You want to pet? Yeah, pet, pet, pet. Okay.
Mom.